whip on the one thing, come give it to me. Wow.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the one and only attacking boss is here. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. But to them people, yesterday attack what me I do, me I drop a song today. Me I drop a review today. And it's from the artist called Heavy Man. Well, my viewers and subscribers, not the first time, not the second, and surely won't be the last. Me I go talk about Heavy Man, and I go feature a song and a music video from the artist. Because the title of this one called Work Hard from KK Production, my people. And me I tell us the message behind this one, my people, they say, all lazy people, all who don't like work, this one are for uno. You understand what me say? Me I work hard for me, me I work hard for mine, and that Heavy Man I say. So I want to check out the feature for this music video from Heavy Man, my people. Work hard. You understand? Just check it out, my people.
Me tell me they up on the ends of Walla. I to every man me they a listen to blow and I wish some man a lead. I work me come from me now. Yeah. Cigarette. Mama, somebody want to serve. Somebody want to serve. Talk to the lady and my boss.
Anything you want, me have here. See to me know me I work hard for mine. You can get anything you want for mine.
Creative can change production.
I said,
It's the right way, true. It's the key, bro. Bro, it's the little I got. I put him wrong for that. True story. Elijah, what? Every man said to the world, man. Take this one. Work hard, me work hard for me. Work hard, me work hard for mine. Work hard, me work hard for me. Now whip on the one thing, come give me to me. Work hard, me work hard for me. Work hard, me work hard for mine. Work hard, me work hard for me. Now we put no one thing come give me sugar. Offering to we work for we money. Work hard, we work hard for me. Now follow John Tom, now hurry. Out the street them, hustle for the money. So we
Well, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level. And the message of every man have behind this, my people, is to show us, look here, we not beg, we not thief, we not rob, and we not kill nobody for them have my people. But we are going to work hard for me, and we are going to work hard for mine, my people. You understand? Because a lot of people in a society right now, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level, are doing a yard in a Jamaica. You know what I mean? Them really don't want to work hard. They want to go there and just expect handout to come to them and expect things easy to come to them. But every man I make a know, so look here. Me I work hard, you know, my people. You understand? So the whole message behind it from the music video, you can't see the acting scene. I mean, I tell you some great dancing in the video, my people. You really need to check out the full thing. You really need to see the full thing. When you see the creativity, the whole thing, or the man them organize it and the way them deal with them, my people, them I show you, say, look here, you cannot have nothing today. But you say tomorrow, their things can go different and you have fear. You can maybe start with a bicycle and then 3 trees is a Benz that you roll, and that every man has tell you, that every man has show you. So all of the people who believe in from nothing to something, this song with this music video for you, and I definitely need to go over there and check it out, my people. Every man work hard. I'm going to leave the link right below in the description, my people. Easy link. You can just click on it and go right over there and view the whole thing. So look here, Jamaican, my people, them say local government election are come up in February, right? And then them say election are come next year, 2025. Look here, don't make them chicken with no handout. Make them know, say, look here, me willing for work hard for me. Me willing for work hard for what me want. You understand? And this is where we are used for them. Every man song right now. We are work hard, my people. We are work hard. We don't want nothing easy. We are work hard for me. We are work hard. Every man, big up yourself. KK Production. The whole works in the music video. The whole dance of them. The whole family them. Big up on yourself because look here, I want team, I want jeep, and I want scheme, and I want every man. So remember my people, the whole dance of them, the whole family them. Big up on yourself because look here, I want team, I want jeep, and I want scheme, and I want every man. So remember my people, check below in the description. Also, go over Instagram, Every Man Music, all social media platform, and check out Every Man because the artists are going good. World tour come up. Every man work hard. Peace out.
work hard, me work hard for mine. Work hard, me work hard for me. Now we put no one fi come give me to me. Work hard, me work hard for me. Work hard, me work hard for mine. Work hard, me work hard for me. Now we put no one fi come give me. Say we up offering, say me work for me money. Work hard, me work hard fi me. Nah follow janta, nah hurry. Out the street, them hustle for the money. Say me, nah go to prison and let me family. After me no fool, no after me no mad smaddy. Common sense, every man him got it. Me go up by me grandmammy, so we work hard for me. Work hard for mine. Work hard for me. Now we put no one fi come give me KG. Work. Watch out. What a house in a life, yeah man.